Adi means beginning. Asha. Asha means hope. Atma. Atma means soul. Adityaha. Adityaha sun. Akashaha. Akashaha sky. Agachati. Agachati to come. Alasyam. Alasyam laziness. Acharanam. Acharanam conduct. Adi. Atma. Adityaha. Asha. Akashaha. Agachati. Alasyam. Acharanam. Please practice reading along with the meaning. Thank you for watching.